Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in a little place called Belfair, Washington. Oh, it is definitely Hickville, USA, and welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is my April 2025 Saturday series featuring the Heirloom Arrangements kit. This is video number 1. So I just want to let you know that every month I concentrate on a stamp set, suite, or bundle, and it seems like these are not, I just noticed those on the ground, and it would seem like maybe a kit from time to time. I could not pass up on this kit, as this kit is absolutely stunning. The only thing with this kit is please be aware that you only get enough supplies for one each of the cards that are visually seen. There's not like 2 of each of these, not even 3. There's enough supplies to make 1 each of these. So I'm splitting these up and seeing what I can do with them for the month of April. First off, though, I am doing my Monday series with this kit and then my Saturday series. And then periodically throughout the month, I'm going to throw extra videos out there with what I do with what's left. And of course, I bring in stuff from my stash. That is what is the best part about stamping, in my opinion, is using things that we have already purchased, giving them a new lease on life. Keep using those things we have purchased. It is no good to purchase things and then let them sit on a shelf. No, it is a waste of money to do so. So anyways, this is what the kit looks like. Here is a close-up look at some of the cards you could have made. So let's look at the stamps. It says, thankful and grateful. I appreciate your kindness. Thank you for you. I feel lucky to have you. This little hash mesh bit and a little butterfly. So for your information, every Monday I have a series of videos. The first is always a sketch card, the second a case of card, the third is always a fun shaker card, the fourth is a fun fold, the fifth is a mystery as to what I will come up for you and me both. Saturdays now are a little bit different, but they still use the stamp set, suite, or bundle, and in rare occasions a kit like this one. This is the first time I'm doing this. For Saturdays, the first card is always designed towards the beginner, the second towards the casual stamper, the third towards the avid, and the fourth would be what I call the extreme. If there are 5, that is also a mystery as to what I come up with for you and me both. So as this is a kit, I am keeping, as this is a kit, I am keeping this rather simple, but we are using pieces from the kit. We are going to do some simple, some simple stamping as well. I didn't want to, usually a beginner card for me is just ink and paper. I could have done that, but as I have supplies, and if somebody is watching this, possibly they have the kit, I'm going to show you a simple way, a simple layout to use the kit and to expand your kit and make supplies go a little farther. So with that being said, I'm going to bring in my notebook. I'm going to put this aside. Oh, I can show you. Yes. Let's show you what you could have, some of the things, as I've already done some videos. I have some supplies. This is from Storybook Moments. You see one of the butterflies. So you have this butterfly, this one, and this one that went right here. This element, these flowers, this is just ephemera. So you have these pieces of ephemera, some tags, some glorious bits that I just could not see. A lot of these cards are collage and they're covering up so many of these lovely pieces that I just couldn't do it. Just could not do it. So we have some vellum, some colored vellum, some leaves. I already used the one with the flower and I cut it in 2 pieces. Here's some more ephemera, some flower bits, some more ephemera. See, I'm going to have lots of good stuff. Some sentiment strips. We are using one of those. And some card bases. So card bases, I'm keeping this pink card base intact to use, but the card bases that look like this, I cut apart already in half, the blue one as well. There is another card base, just like the other pink one, and I'm leaving that intact. And then we have this envelope, which I've already cut up one. And there is another different envelope, which has more going all the way through it, which you can cut open and use. And this gorgeous floral ephemera, and then some more. So you have an orange, look, Cajun Craze, Daffodil Delight, and then I'm using the one like this that is pretty in pink. This is really a lovely little note card is what it is. These are from Storybook Moments, and this pairs really pretty with this kit. So with that being said, we are going to do some stamping. Of course, this is going to be simple. So let me show you what we have. So we have a note card, pre-made, of course. Got them when they're 40% off. You can't pass that up, or at least I couldn't. So this is 4 7/8 by 7, scored at 3.5. Then we have our Pretty in Pink banner, and we have that oval from the kit. We have one of the sentiment strips, and I have this wee little tiny, I told you guys I keep little pieces. This wee little tiny piece is going to come in handy, and you're going to see that in a minute. And I want to show you this oval is this piece right here, and the banner that I'm using is from this card. So I wonder if they're, nope, it doesn't show it on here. So just to let you know, so I'm picking a piece from this card and a piece from this card and this little piece here. So let's get started. We're going to move those aside. We are going to do some stamping, and we are going to be using, I need to put that ephemera that fell down. Oh wait, we are going to be using crumb cake. This looks like crumb cake to me, so we're going to go with that for this little mesh or hash. I want to call it like a hashtag, but I know it's mesh, but I probably won't keep saying, I'll probably keep saying hash. So we are just going to stamp off and just do random bits, and it's okay if it doesn't stamp perfectly. You want to turn your stamp when you do this, making sure you get different sides and edges. That looks really good. Now we're going to go ahead, while we have it, we're going to stamp the inside as well. So there, oops, see, I stamped on top of ink and it got a little darker. Now we're going to do our envelope while we're doing the stamping. Right down there and right here. We're going to need this again, so I'm not going to close it up. I'm just going to set it aside. And I guess we're going to be doing a pink butterfly for the envelope today. A pretty in pink butterfly. Why not? Oh, that is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we are going to stamp it again. I was like, what am I going to do next? I'm going to stamp it again. I don't like that, but there we go. I think there's something in my ink pad there that I don't like. We are going to go ahead and come in with, oh, I should use For You. We're going to make a thank you card. This should do it. Thankful and Grateful, and I'm going to stamp it right here. Full strength this time. There we go. So envelope check done. Like I said, we're going to do a thank you card. And I appreciate your kindness is perfect. And we are going to go in crumb cake this time. And then I'm going to huff on this. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, I am. We're going to go on top of there. You can't hardly see it at all. That's okay. We're going to stamp one butterfly and go this way. All right. So that's done. We can all close up these ink pads. And this card is going to take no time at all. Oh, I still have to do the For You. I forgot the one thing. So we're just going to glue this down. I mean, you could step this up and go all out, but like I said, I'm keeping this really basic and really simple for a beginner stamper. So just putting that there. Next, we're going to put this here, and I think we will go ahead. See, I was thinking, do I add this up on dimensionals, or do I put this on dimensionals? I think we'll just bump this up on a scrap piece of cardstock and put this on dimensionals. Just because you're a beginner, I'm sure some of you out there have heard of dimensionals. You know, foam tape, foam strip, something to pop, you know, the back of a piece up, and this really could use it. It's a large focal point, and when I put the cover it up, it's so pretty. So this is just going to come in next to it. We're going to try to get the same amount here as over here. All right, so we need to stamp on this, which is what I forgot to do. And we're going to do that in Crumb Cake. And I'm going to need to, just like if it's on there, stamp off really well. Then stamp on lightly. All right, then full strength this way, and this is where I have to move the white paper, and I don't know why I continually try, but I do. For You. And then this is where this wee little tiny piece is going to come into play. So we are going to take this, glue it down, and then just trim it off. So I can do like a little block in it, like that if I wanted to. But I'm just going to go edge to edge. Told you, just sometimes those little scrap pieces can make just a little bit of a difference. I don't need to add ribbon, anything. I just am using that little piece. This little piece, I'm going to keep that as well. Because who knows, I might do this again. Now this piece, we can go in the center. We can go down here. I was going to flag that. Oh, that was a bird in my garden. I need to go out and clean. Do I want to bring it over, or do I want to go like right there? I really want to flag this, and there's not much to flag, but we're going to do it anyways. So just in the center, and then corner to center. Wondering if I cut the edge to the pink off, but I don't think so. I think I'm going to bring it right to there. And I don't even think I need to bump that up. That's perfect. Just going to bring the pink to the edge of the oval. Straighten it up a little. And now, see, I had that just in case it did not work out. Now, there are the brushed brass butterflies, which is a mouthful. which would go beautiful on this because I'm not using any big butterfly. This is a really small little card. But my Aunt Carol gave me these flat stickers. Do not be afraid to use stickers in your card making. Stickers are fantastic. I love stickers. They're quick, they're easy. So I'm going to add an extra little embellishment right here by this little butterfly that's flying this way. It's a little pop of gold if I can get it off the pokey tool. Then I'm going to add another one, I think here and here. And there's, let's see, these little ones. I really would like some more of those super teeny ones, but I don't think I have any. This is the same one as down there. So there, and we could do a larger one right there if we wanted one. I haven't used this size yet, so let's go for this one. There we go. And even, oh, I was like, we can do one of those hanging ones, but we can't because I already stamped these butterflies in there. So there you have it. Now you can Wink a Stella this, which I am going to, of course. I'm only going to pick out this one with the green. I don't want to go hog wild here. Just to highlight that one on there. Bring in my envelope. And that is a very soft, very pretty little card. And it does stay, I think, I mean, it is very simply, it's not overly embellished with elements of it, but it does stay pretty good, true to using, you know, we have a bit of a collage. We have 1, 2, 3 pieces, 4, if you count that one, pieces from this kit. So I really hope you like what I came up with for my beginner card. And I thank you all so much for letting me come in here and share with you, because guys, oh, this is such a joy for me. It is the best thing ever to come out here to create, to chit chat with you. And even though you won't watch this for, you know, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 days, 4 days, maybe. I feel like you're right here, right with me right now. So thank you. Thank you for allowing me your part of your day that you take out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And I hope that you like this one and that you come back to see more. So thank you all so much. And I hope you come back and visit me here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.